I'm so fucking ready. The semi ain't so heavy, I could hold it steady while I put a hole in each and every enemy is plenty. I'm on just like the telly, cause supply on every penny. You get shot for very petty, that's barely in the telly. Cause she said that she was ready, but really she was so nervous that she brought her BF Jenny. And Jenny brought us some Henny. The Henny made us friendly, I'm back, I'm a problem, I'm hot as the Serengeti. Turn your brains to spaghetti, I'm after that confetti. Got a hairpin trigger on this bitch, don't tempt me.